Hello everyone, we are going to deploy an ERC20 token in the Ethereum network in this tutorial. I'm going to do this in the testnet, but you can also do this exact process in the main network and it's not that different. You just need to switch to the Ethereum main network instead of testnet in your MetaMask wallet. Here you can see my wallet which contains some testnet Ethereum. You can get testnet Ethereum from faucets. To view the test networks inside MetaMask wallet, you must check this option and you can change your network like this. If you don't want to deploy your token in testnet, you can choose any network that MetaMask supports because the code we are going to use is compatible with all EVM networks. You can also see a list of EVM networks on the chainlist.org website. Here you can see the list of these networks. You can connect your wallet to chainlist.org website and add any network to your wallet. And you can do this tutorial on any of these networks. You can also manually enter the network you want into MetaMask like this. This is the faucet from which I've got the testnet Ether. There are also testnet faucets available for other networks such as BNB chain. Just copy your wallet address and paste it here and then click on the receive button. You can search for faucets online if this faucet was not available to you. To deploy the token's code, we need to have a code to begin with. Now to generate the code, I'm going to use OpenZeppelin Wizard, which is a service provided by OpenZeppelin for free. Of course, you can find any other ERC20 smart contract code and use them instead. Just search ERC20 sample code. There will be so many examples which we can use. Another service which we can use to deploy an ERC20 token is the CertWeb website. There are many paid services to create an ERC20 token, but all of these services and tools that I show here are free to use, and I only show the free ones in this video. If you register on CertWeb, there are many contracts available for deploy in here, including an ERC20 contract. You can check the CertWeb registration tutorial in the IPFS video which I have posted before. So let's generate the code. The OpenZeppelin website has a few types of contracts and we are going to use ERC20 token contract in this video. You should change these parameters based on your needs, such as the name and the symbol of the token, and you can choose any name and symbol you want. The name is the full name of the token and the symbol is the short name. For example, I want to name this token my test token, and for symbol I'm going to enter MTT. You can enter the total supply you want to have. I'm going to enter 10 million MTT in here. This is the maximum supply amount of the token and you can enter any other number. There are a series of other options that you can have if you want, such as the option for mint, which can be used to increase the supply after the token deployment. Burn option adds the ability to burn a token to your code. The pausable option, which allows you to stop transactions, buy and sells, and other series of options. I have selected the ownable option. You can also enter your email and choose the license. Our code is ready. Let's copy and deploy the code. I'm going to use Remix IDE for deploying the token, which is available at remix.ethereum.org. Create a new workspace, choose the blank template. You can give it any name you want. Create a file with an .sol extension. which will actually be a Solidity file. Finally, paste the code in here, wait a little so it loads the code. Solidity version is 0.8.20, so we should select the same version in the Solidity compiler tab. Click on Compile button and the green tick means that it has been successfully compiled. In order to verify the token's code on the Blockchain Explorer, we need to flatten the code like this. We must first deploy the code, of course. We need to select the injected option on the Deploy tab and connect the MetaMask wallet to Remix IDE. If you want to choose another wallet as the owner of this token, you can enter the address of the wallet. If not, by default, the same wallet that is the creator will be set as the owner of the token. You can paste any wallet address. You can see that the wallet balance is also shown in here. Click on the Transact button, the MetaMask will come up. You can also change the transaction fee, which I do not recommend to do, especially the gas limit. Click on View on Etherscan. Here you can see that my transaction is confirmed and this is the fee amount. In the test network, the fee is higher than the mainnet. You can see that it is 14 GV, but in the main network it is less. If I open the main network Blockchain Explorer, you can see that the fee is on 7. So if we were to do this on the main network, the fee would be half of this amount. Which is about $45 with the current price of Ethereum. There is our token contract address. Click on the contract address and you can see the name and symbol we entered for the token. This is the contract page, the name and symbol of the token, supply and more. As you can see, all of the tokens are in the creator's wallet. And by copying the contract address of my token and pasting it in the import section of MetaMask, I can see my balance. Now it's time to verify our codes in the Etherscan Blockchain Explorer. Click on the Verify and Publish link. This page will open up. Select the Solidity single file here and compiler version in here. As you can see in the Remix ID, the last one is the license, which was MIT. Please note that you must choose the exact settings you had during the compilation and deploy. In the next step, we must copy and paste the code that we have flattened. We need to add the license first, copy the first line and paste it here, select and copy all the code and paste them in this section. We didn't enter any value for optimization during the compilation, so I won't change anything. Wait so that we have a green tick in here. Finally, click the verify and publish button. If the details entered are correct, the code will be verified. Here you can see that the green tick is on and the read and write contract section has been activated. Our contract has been verified and there are a series of options in both the read and write contract sections. For example, here you can see the owner, which is the wallet address of the token creator or my wallet. I'm going to test token transfers. Create a new account on MetaMask. I'm going to transfer some of the tokens to this wallet to see if it works properly or not. For example, I want to send 216 MTT to my other wallet. You can see that the transaction is in progress. The transaction has been confirmed. Let's burn some of those tokens we have. We can burn tokens by sending them to this wallet address. For example, I want to burn 1 million. After sending to this address, they will be burned. I can make some changes on the right contract section by connecting the creator's wallet. You can mint new tokens or renounce the ownership of the token, for example. Let's renounce the ownership. Click on the right button and confirm it in the wallet. It takes a while for the transaction to be confirmed. The transaction is now confirmed and the ownership has been renounced. Let's refresh the page to check the latest changes and transactions. Now, if I check the owner section in the read contract section, you will see that it has been changed. Please be aware that if you do this, you will completely lose control over your token, and I did this as an example. Now we have reached the end of this video and you can now deploy an ERC20 token. Please note that you can follow the same steps for any EVM network you want. You just have to choose the right network in the MetaMask wallet and have some coins to pay the network fees. If you have any question about the videos, you can ask in the comments or send me a message. Check the channel info page for email and Telegram ID. Thank you very much for watching this video.